Hi students, this is the second part of your map work. Let me give some instruction for doing the map work. First of all, you have to buy the physical map of the world from the shop. Then whatever the map work you are doing, that you should paste on a project paper. Okay, so suppose for a first assignment you are given 10 marks, 5 marks plus 5 marks. So in the project paper, first you do the first question of 5 marks, then you do the next 5 questions, that is of map work. For that, in the same paper only you write the second question, then you do the map work, and that map should be pasted on the project paper. Then you make together. So question number 1 and 2 you staple together, and so the assignment of 10 marks should be submitted together as a file. But you don't use any file, means you staple all the project paper together and make a front page, writing your roll number, name, ID number, all the information, then the topic also, that means assignment on geography. Then you staple it properly and tie it properly and make sure it is not loosened and it is not open, and it will not be separated. So it means tightly you tie it properly and carefully submit your geography assignment. Now let us begin the task of doing the map work on natural region. Which are the important natural region we discussed in the last video, that is tropical region. Tropical region in which are the latitude 30 degree north to 30 degree south latitude. Then comes temperate region. Temperate region can be divided into two, like warm temperate region and cool temperate region. Warm temperate region is from 30 degree to 45 degree in both south and north, and cool temperate region is also what is that? Cool temperate region is from 45 degree to 60 degree. This also in both north and south. Then comes polar region. Polar region, you know that north polar region and also south polar region, that is from 60 degree to 90 degree. Understood? So now within the tropical region, which are the important natural region comes? The natural region comes that equatorial region, tropical grasslands, tropical desert, Sahara, the tropical east margin, that means monsoon region. Okay, now let us discuss first about the tropical region. So let's see which are the important region comes under the tropical region with the help of a map. You see here equatorial region. You see equatorial region are lying between the latitude of 10 degree north to 10 degree south. These are the equatorial region. So when the question comes equatorial region, you need to mark all these. You need to color. You need to only color, and you have to write like this. Whichever the color you are using, you have to shade here this square with that particular color. Then you have to write equatorial region. Then you need to do the same colored shade in all these places. Understood? So this is how you need to mark the equatorial region. So the next region is the tropical monsoon region. You see that tropical monsoon region also you have to understand, and you have to by heart that in which are the places of the world there is tropical monsoon region is found. You see India is completely laying under the tropical monsoon region, this many portion. Then these areas, eastern coast of Africa, then east coast of Madagascar, then northeast Australia, then comes Central America, this part, eastern part of Brazil. All these regions are lying in the tropical monsoon regions. Then how you mark it? Like this. And you have to make a square, and it is not necessary you need to use the red color. You can use any color, but whichever the color you use here for shading, suppose the same color should be used in all these places to shade. Okay, This exactly you have to shade as it is shown in the map. Is it clear? All these places you need to shade if the question is asked to mark the tropical monsoon region. Then comes which is that tropical desert region. You see wherever you find the tropical desert region, you see that in which are the latitude, you see that it is spreading here. You see it is found in the Western Australia, Kalahari region, then Peruvian Atacama, all these places. So you have to use a particular color here for shading. Then the same color should be used in all these places wherever it is. Then you have to also fill this box with the same color, and also you need to write here exactly as tropical desert. So understood? Then the next one is that the Mediterranean region. Where the Mediterranean region you will mark as it is shown in the textbook. You see these maps are all found at the back of your textbook. You can use these those maps, exactly everything is marked. So from there you can directly see and mark. So here also you can shade that these are the Mediterranean region. Mediterranean region here means what is that? This is the Mediterranean Sea region. So a typical climatic condition is found in this Mediterranean region. The similar climatic condition is found in Australia also, this part of Africa also, here also, here also. So all these regions are given their climatic condition is known in the name of Mediterranean region. So it doesn't mean that Australia there is no Mediterranean Sea, but this climatic condition and wildlife, soil, relief features are almost similar to the climatic natural region of this Mediterranean coast, the region which are lying in the Mediterranean coast. Here also it is same here. So all these regions are named as Mediterranean region. So children, we discussed about tropical region. Under the tropical region we discussed about yes, this many region comes under the tropical region. All these region are the tropical zone or tropical region. So which are the natural region comes under the tropical zone? Equatorial region, tropical grasslands, tropical desert and tropical monsoon region. So all these four regions we discussed. So we also discussed about Mediterranean region. But children, you see this Mediterranean region comes under the temperate region. Here temperate region is means warm temperate region and cool temperate region. Let's see with the help of a diagram what is this warm temperate and cool temperate. Suppose you see this is 0 degree, then between 30 degree north to 30 degree south we have tropical zone, that we have discussed all the natural region which comes under the tropical zone here. Then just above the tropical zone, that is between 30 degree to 60 degree north, there is north temperate zone. This is called north temperate zone. Then between 30 degree to 60 degree south temperate zone. Clear? So why temperate zone? Because you know that this we discussed, sun rays fall directly on the tropical zone, but as it move away from the tropical zone, sun rays are slanting. Okay, so temperate zone is not so hot. Okay, at the same time it is not very cold, like so. That is why this zone is named as temperate zone. Now again, some temperate zone can be divided into, you see, divided. So 30 degree to 45 degree, it is named as warm temperate zone. Warm temperate zone, that is north warm temperate zone. Again in the southern hemisphere also 30 to 45 degree, it is named as warm temperate zone. South warm temperate zone. Why it is south warm temperate zone and why it is north warm temperate zone? Because it is close to the tropical zone. Okay, so it is close to the tropical zone, it is not so cold. Again, when you come to this region, the 45 to 60 degree when we reach, that means it becomes cold because it is coming closer to the polar region. And here also 45 to 60 degree it is becoming cold. That is why this temperate zone, that means which lies between 45 degree to 60 degree, is termed as cool temperate zone. Cool temperate zone. That is the difference between warm temperate zone and cool temperate zone. So temperate zone can be classified into warm temperate zone and cool temperate zone in both southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere. Clear? So we discussed the equatorial region and tropical grassland, that is savanna region, tropical desert and tropical monsoon region, that means tropical east margin. That means these monsoon region are found in the eastern margin of all the continents, wherever it is found. Then we also discuss about temperate region. Now let's see which are the natural region lying in the temperate zone. Mediterranean region we already discussed, which is lying in the temperate zone. Then China tab we don't have to discuss, it is not there in the reduced syllabus. Continental interior, that means temperate desert is also we are not discussing. We discussed tropical desert, but temperate desert is not there. Temperate desert means the desert which are found in the temperate zone. Then cool temperate west margin, that is in the western part of Europe. Climatic region is not there. Then temperate grasslands is included in the topic. Then cool temperate, this is also not there, and cool temperate, this is also not there. Clear? So that means under the temperate region we need to study only Mediterranean region and also temperate grasslands. These two natural regions which are lying in the warm temperate region we will be studying. And next, when we discuss about polar zone or polar region, which are the region? Tundra. Tundra is a cold desert region. Then again, once you travel above the tundra, below tundra is taiga. So taiga is there. Sorry, we have to study this cool temperate zone about taiga. Taiga we will study. Taiga is also very cold. Very short trees are growing here. No much vegetation can be found because of the extreme cold. Again, when you go above, beyond the level of taiga, we find Tundra region. Okay, Tundra region is also known as cold desert. Okay, so we have to discuss about now the Mediterranean region we discuss. We will discuss the temperate grassland, cool temperate region, that means taiga region, then cold region. So let's see that those map work here. Let's see. Yes. So then we discuss, it begins from here. Equatorial region we discuss, tropical monsoon discuss, tropical desert discuss, Mediterranean region it is coming in, temperate region that also we discuss. Then comes grassland, that is temperate grassland. You can see here temperate grasslands are lying in which are the continents. You can see here temperate grassland, they are lying in North American continent, then South America, then here in the Central Asia here, that means it is extending up to India. This what is that? Temperate grasslands. And then some part of Australia and also Africa. Then here also, this is that Manchurian grassland. This is in China, Manchurian grassland. So temperate grassland in China, it is known as Manchurian grassland. Then temperate, so this is Manchurian grassland. Then temperate grasslands in the Europe and Asia, it is together. It is lying together in a line. Okay. So temperate grassland in Asia and Europe together known as steppes. These are known as steppes. Then China, it is known as Manchurian grasslands. Then we discuss the temperate grasslands of North America, then South America. So in this area we find the temperate grasslands. Let's see the next one. Tropical grassland already we discussed, that is savanna grassland. Okay. Then comes taiga region. Taiga region comes under the cool temperate zone. Okay. It is also cool temperate zone is very cold region. And here the taiga region you can see, here you see in the northern hemisphere. It is fully lying in the Europe and Asian continent. Then here in the South America. Okay, but you cannot find taiga region here in the southern hemisphere. Why? Because there is no landmass. The southern hemisphere no much landmass, but northern hemisphere landmass is there. It is the landmass. So that reason taiga region is also found here. The next comes Tundra region. Children, you know that Tundra region is located beyond the, that means above the taiga region. So above the taiga region you find Tundra region. Like here you see Tundra region only shown here. So that what happened in Tundra region, what is very cold, so that no tall trees are growing, extreme cold, only penguin and such kind of animals like polar bears, such kind of animals can be only found. So only in the winter some lichens and small bushes are growing, otherwise no tree is growing. Tundra region is completely we can say that is what covered of ice and means what you cannot find any much habitation here, much animals here, understood. So only the type of animals grow here are which can live in such kind of cold climatic conditions. So Tundra region, when you mark, you have to mark in such a way that means any map I told you, as I told you, you see that fill the column with that particular color in which you apply, then you can shade as it is shown here. Don't shade anywhere when the Tundra region is on. You have to shade only these regions. For this you need to study the map for. So these are all about natural region. Next we discuss the water body.